Welcome to Echotraders. It's 9:22 a.m. Monday morning. My name is Dale Elliott. Trade that we're following is an entry from right here, a little tiny bit offside, 2047. And it's a long entry at a support area. We're looking to have the market break up above 205200 and 2052.50. Now this is resistance up here, and although resistance is not marked, you know it is to the upside. We're not chasing after the share market, and we know that this year was a money off at 2050.47, which is 0.50. All right, and we'll see if the market can take out that next high. Now we expect volume to come in to the market in about 6.5 minutes, and we have our regular rule of thumb trade to the downside this year. However, we're not looking for this year much of a pullback, although we know that we could get the pullback to 2043. All right, it could go beyond that, but we have money locked in on a positive trade, and I'll show you the targets further up. I drop this here down. Whoops, drop it down. Hang on. All right, so targets further up are to the upside. You have 2060. What we'll do is we'll just pull this here guy down so you can see that a little better. And we have 2056 up here. 2056 is the immediate target to the upside as long as the market can continue to take out the highs. Now, the thing with the 2056, I'll put an ellipse on so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, is it's beyond the 100 here, the 100 at 2054 and 1/4. So the market has a lot of work to do in a few minutes. Now it's only 5 minutes to 9:30, and chop time should come in. We'll find out if we can hang on to our long position. The share market is very slow to break out in either direction here this morning. We're trying to trade the support to the longer targets. The pullback here is roughly to your 50%, as we had mentioned in the room, and then we'll look for that exhaustion target to the upside. I'll drop that chart down once again, and that number comes in at 2056. So we'll see if we can get that. Lots of indecision, and so the market has made it to that 5250 resistance area, that line here. I'll just extend that along here. Just one sec. I get a hold of the edge of it right about there. So the market is, sorry about that. Thought I had it. Try it once again. The market is retesting that. We'll look for that to be taken out to get to 5.6. We can see here how well that market respects the resistance area here. It's having great difficulty getting above there. So little hard to hang on to position, but it does take time. It's just like watching water boil here. It's taking so much time, but anyhow, we'll see if we can ease on up there and break up through. The market is demonstrating taking out the highs of prior time frame, so that's roughly 430 area, and also here's your 4 o'clock area that the large run up created. So the market has taken out those highs and is putting in a series of higher lows. So we'll see if that holds. There's your 9-point move. That's target reached at 20560. I know there's a little 0.02, but we round that off to 2056. So that's a nice target for a morning trade and money on at your support area. And just lock in, if you have a runner, lock that in for your larger time frame targets. And as we showed when we dropped the chart down, do that once again. If it'll drop for me, hang on one sec. Here you go. And that time frame comes in, the larger time frame at 2060 and 2063. Put some money in your pocket and lock in your runner. So we will zoom in on this here chart. And the area we will zoom in on is the last 6 hours of the chart and what we were looking for. And we'll zoom in roughly here. So you can see we'll put a S for an entry. This was an exit one here in yellow, and entries we'll put on this here green area here. So we can use a green S. Normally use a blue one, but green is fine. And what the, I guess blue would have been better in hindsight. Let's use blue on top of that. Excuse me. Oops. Navy blue is fine. Should show up. It's almost black. Oops. We recopied a yellow S. So the pullback to a support area inside the support and resistance clearly makes a fairly nice target area. with minimal offside. So from here and to here, here, and here. You may or may not get filled here unless you're in the pecking order for filling, and that's why we use the 48 right here, your 38.2 or 382, however you want to refer to that. So again, a little bit of offside. Right there. This offside also comes in right here. So it's minimal offside to get into that positive trade. So we'll erase the arrows. For those who would like to take a screenshot. And bid you farewell. Till next time, trade well, my friends. It's a 9-point target.